Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to turn on front flash camera on TikTok. So let's begin right away. So just a disclaimer, TikTok still doesn't have an option in which you can turn on your front flash camera. However, this method that I will be teaching you is just an alternative. So let's begin. The very first step is to open your TikTok app and then click on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen. And once you're here, make sure that your camera has been flipped into the front one. So for example, I will use my Tumblr. So as you can see, my Tumblr is not that visible. However, if you are going to follow the steps that I will be teaching you, my Tumblr will be visible than before. So let's go to settings and then click on accessibility and click on display and text size. Once you're here, we just simply scroll down and go to classic invert. So turn on classic invert and make sure that your brightness has been turned to the highest level. So turn it to the highest level, and once you have done that, go back to TikTok and then I'll just take a video. So I have taken a video of my Tumblr, and then I'll go back to settings first, turn off classic invert, and go back to TikTok. And as you can see, my Tumblr now is visible compared to the previous one. So now you may add your text, your stickers, effects, filters, and many more, and then upload it once you are done. So that's it. That's how you can turn on front flash camera on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.